I'm going to show you how to create stunning Canva templates that will make you thousands of dollars in today's video. So you're welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
So guys, like you already know, we are going to be learning how to create and sell Canva templates that you can sell on platforms like Etsy. But before we continue, let's look at some of the examples of these templates that you can create. So there is social media posts, like you can see, there is Pinterest pins, there is logos, there is business cards, there is event invitations like wedding cards, birthday cards, planners, there is resumes and cover letters. There is digital products like ebooks, digital planners, self-help workbooks, sorry. There is holiday cards like Christmas and Halloween cards. And I have detailed videos that show you how to, create some of these products step by step. For example, the ebooks and the planners. And I'll be leaving the video in the description down below so you can check it if that's a niche that you want to focus on. Okay. But in today's video, we are going to choose a random product to design. Let's say, let's work with a wedding card. I'm going to show you how you can create it and then how you can share the template link with your clients. Okay, so you just have to watch this video till the end to take all the benefits that are in this video. Okay. So right now I'm running through Etsy just to find out which products are currently selling. Like you can see, there is this bestsellers, and you can see the details over here. It has some floral design, floral touch to it. Okay, like you can see, there is some gold. It looks gorgeous, even this. So I'm just running through to have an idea of what I'm going to be creating. Okay, remember, you don't need any designing skills because I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to do this. Okay, regardless. So with an idea of what we want to design, we are going to come over to Canva, and then we are going to search for wedding invitation. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to click on it. They'll bring you a variety of templates that you can work with, or you can choose to click the create blank option, and that way you can still explore the templates inside Canva. Okay, so here is the canvas that we are going to be using. And if you're a creative designer with designing skills, and you just want to go ahead and build everything from scratch, you can start from here and then you start working on your design. But since many of us don't have those designing skills, let me show you the simplest way you can use templates, and then you have the perfect design. So all you have to do is to come over here to templates, and you search for what you want to work on. So for example, if you want to work on wedding invitations, this is what you're going to search for. Okay, you'll come over and type in wedding invitations over here. So they'll bring you different products that you can choose from. Like you can see, you just have to scroll through until you find something that resonates with you. So like you can see, there is a variety of these templates, so many of them are very beautiful. All you have to note is that the ones with a crown symbol, you need Canva Pro to access them. Okay, but the ones without a crown symbol, you can use them completely free of charge. So there is a lot of free ones that are really beautiful. For example, like this one, there is so many here, like I told you guys. So I have the one I used previously. It's what I want to use. So I'm just going to come back to my recently used, and I'm going to click on it just like that. So now what we are going to do is to customize this template, and we make it our own. So we are going to go ahead and edit everything, the design, the colors, the font, everything. So you're just going to change everything so that it can look different. So we are going to start with the text. I personally think that the font style for these names is really perfect. You can just choose to change the names. Maybe you change this to Mary and John, because we want everything to be different. Okay, other people might be using the same template, so you don't want to get any issues. Okay, with similar content. Okay, so we are just trying to change that. Or you can even decide to explore the different font styles available and see if you find something that looks better than the current one, you can always use that. But I think for the names, the text is perfect. However, we can choose to change this to a different one there. So let's try something different. For example, like this one. Let's see what it looks like. So now we are going to go and delete anything that we don't like in our design. For example, we are going to take out these designs. We will be replacing them with something different. So you're just making all the possible edits that you can do. Make sure everything is up to date. For example, the year over here, make sure it's like 2025 or 2024, based on the year that you're designing this card. Okay, so change everything. You can change the month as well to something more convenient. So I just want you to keep it in mind that this template is just a guide for your client to know where to put what. So you edit it accordingly. So let's put some design to our beautiful template. So all you have to do is to click over here on elements. Then you're going to find different border styles, or you can search for flower borders, anything that you want. So in particular, I want something like maybe like rose gold background. So it's something that I'm looking at. So you can go through the different options. I encourage you to visit graphics, and then you see the different designs available. That way you can choose what you want to use in particular. So like you can see, there is a variety of designs that you can work with. But I have something in my recently used, and I'm just going to go back and use that design. So it's over here. I'm just going to click on it just like that. Sorry. And then I'm going to make sure it fits the canvas really well. So I'm just going to drag it to the end, just like that. Okay. Or one other thing you can do is just to drag and drop it just like this, so it can fit perfectly well, just like that. I think that's the easier way to do it. Okay. So like you can see, it looks beautiful. It's so simple and unique. Okay. So now we are going to click over here where there is a share button, and you'll go to the option that says template link. So that is what you're going to click on. So it's going to give you the option of generating a unique link, and that's the link you're going to be sharing with your customers. Okay. So this is the link. You just click on it, and then you're going to copy. You'll just click over here, and then you'll copy it. So if you go to any of your favorite search engine, and you paste it in just like that, so it's going to show you what it's going to look like once your customer clicks on the link. It's going to be like this for them. Okay. So all they have to do is to click on the edit template button, so that way they can edit it to their preference, and they will easily be able to use it. But the other way to do it, we are going to be designing a PDF file with a thank you purchase note, where we are going to attach the link, so that the customer just clicks on it and it will take them directly to our beautiful design. So let's go ahead back in Canva, and I show you how to do it. So back to Canva. Now we are going to search for an editable mockup. So they'll bring you different options. Like you can see, you can even click on see all, and you explore the different options, but you can as well do that inside Canva. Okay, so let's just find a random one like this one, and we are going to use this template. Okay, or we are going to search for even better options, like how I'm going to show you. So this is the design we chose. It gives us the perfect size for our mockup. But now we are going to come over here to designs, and we are going to search for thank you. We are just going to be specific. So we have something that has a thank you in it. Okay. So like you can see, they'll bring you different options over here that you can choose from, that you can easily customize. I like this particular one. It has stood out really well for me. So I'm just going to drag it and replace it with this one. Okay. Just like that. From here, you can customize it and you make it your own. You can change the elements to different elements by going to the elements and you search for something you want. You can change the color by clicking on the image, just like that. Then you can choose a different background color. You can choose to remove these extra elements or to replace them with something even better. Like I told you, you just have to go to elements. To change the font, you just have to click on the font and you click over here and you find the best prompt for you. So like I said, just customize everything, make it different so that it's your own, in that if some other person is using the same template, it doesn't look obvious that you got the template straight from Canva templates and you decided to use it. Okay, so now you're just going to maybe make some edits, for example, and say to access your editable template. So it says to access your editable template, click here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to right click and you're going to click on the link over here. So we are going to import the link that we copied from our design, if you remember. So you're just going to paste it over there just like that and you'll click on done. So that way, like you can see, this automatically highlighted the click here. Like you can see, it lined it, okay, automatically, which shows that our design has been attached to this link. So all we have to do now is to download this as a PDF print, okay, and then we are going to check out to see if our link is actually working. So once we open our PDF file that we just downloaded, this is what it looks like. So all you have to do here is to click where it says click here, and so this is what you're going to be sharing with your clients. And once they click on it just like that, it's going to take them to the template that we just designed, like you can see. So just like how I showed you guys earlier on, this way they can easily just click on edit template and they'll edit it to their own liking. Okay, so now guys, that's it. From here, you're just going to get your digital file and you upload it on your favorite marketplace, whether it's Etsy, Shopify, your own website, wherever you're selling your templates. You're just going to go ahead and share your design over there, and that way it will be accessible by your clients. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Guys, if you found value in today's video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.